All right, welcome back to Trade Like the Pros. I'm Dion Pouncil, and today we're going over trading terms in plain English. So today's word is take profit. So what is a take profit? A take profit order, or a target price, is a type of limit order that specifies the exact price at which to close out an open position for a profit. So similar to what we talked about with the stop losses protecting your money, a profit target is saying, if I go profitable this amount, take me out of the trade so that I can realize, so I can capture my gains, okay? So just like we want to always protect the money, we also want to have profit targets in mind. So even if you don't take all of the money off the table, all of the profits, you do want a certain number to be set in your mind that when you set your risk to reward ratio, you know that this is the place that I want to capture that reward. This is the place where I want to start taking some money off the table, realizing that money and putting that money in my pocket, okay? That's what a take profit number is. That's what a take profit or target price is, all right? So that was our trading term for today. Be sure to comment any of your thoughts below, subscribe to the channel, and share this video if you want somebody else to learn that word or these trading terms in plain English. I'll see you in the next video.